I started my career at Fresenius Medical Care with a strong willingness to learn and grow. Before joining, I had already gained several years of experience in hemodialysis at different institutions, which helped me build my foundation in patient care. Over time, through daily work and facing different challenges, I became more confident and skilled in my role. These experiences helped me build resiliency and agility, allowing me to handle virus situations more effectively. I was given the opportunity to go through an individual development plan for several months with mentorship, guidance, and regular check ins from my managers. This prepared me for a greater responsibilities, and I was eventually promoted from senior staff nurse to charge nurse. Additionally, the ideas and strategies I learned from CLIP program, the Clinic Leadership International program, helped me guide the team more effectively and strengthen teamwork and maintain quality. I'm very grateful for the opportunity, which gives me the energy to keep learning and doing my best every day.